Sup bro? How you been bro?
I've been okay bro. You bro?
Not much bro. What you up to bro?
Just chilling with my multicolored lizard that's a gigantic leprechaun that spits fire with a television on its stomach. It loves to go down to the beach and eat sand bro.
Cool story bro. Want a sticker for it? I have one right here and all, just for you. It's yours bro. Take it.
Well, that is lovely of you. You know what? I will take that sticker. You are a lovely person, Mr. Zebra.
Hippo, I was joking. I don't have a sticker. Now lick the ground and eat some sand. Now.
Mr. Zebra. I never thought I'd say this. But you know me too well. I love eating sand and nature. Amused.
Then do it. I dare you to. I'll give you a sticker.
Okay. Now where's my sticker? Exclamation mark. I love eating grass and I just love stickers too. Smile.